Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a DIY marble painting. And I know what you're thinking. Oh my god, Yana, I'm not a crafty person. Don't worry about it, I am not either. But what we're doing is super easy and you only need a few things. Okay, so today we're gonna need some acrylic painting, a white canvas, some water, disposable cups, and a plastic bag. Since we're gonna be using paint today, I'm gonna go change my clothes because I don't want any stains on this. So I'll meet you guys back here. So I remove all my jewelry and I have some clothes on that I don't care if they get a stain or anything. And we're gonna start by putting some plastic bags on our surface just to make sure that we don't get any paint anywhere else. The second step is to pick a palette of colors. I am gonna be using like a gold, pink, and really light colors. And since I don't have those colors, I'm gonna be creating my own. So you're gonna need some plastic cups to mix all your paint. If you already have the colors that you want, you can skip this step. I always like to make sure that all the colors that I'm mixing look good all together. So I'm just gonna grab like a piece of paper and a little brush and see if I like how they look. As you can see, I mixed some colors here. I realized I didn't like the gray. I tried a blue, I didn't. But I'm gonna end up using these 5 colors over here. I really recommend you to do this just to make sure that you like the colors that you're using. Once that we have the colors that we want, we're gonna add some water into the paint to reach a more liquidy consistency, and that will allow us to make the marble effect. So we're gonna start by adding a little bit of water into our paint and we're gonna mix it. You wanna reach this type of consistency. Not too liquid, not too thick. And now we're gonna do the same with the rest of our paints. The next step will be to measure our canvas. Basically, we wanna see how many glasses fit in our canvas. I don't have a very big one, so I think 3 is just gonna be perfect. Has to be like a little bit of a space in between the glasses. Now, we're gonna start by grabbing 3 clean glasses and we're gonna pour our paints into each of them. We're basically gonna be layering all our colors into the glasses. When pouring the paint, be really careful to not mix it because we specifically want it to be layered. And now this is where all the fun starts. We're gonna grab our cups and flip them into the canvas and start moving the canvas around to create the marble effect. We'll have to be quick, careful too, because the paint is gonna leak, so that's why we have our plastic. And let's see how this goes. Okay, so I'm gonna start with 2 glasses. We're gonna flip it very quick and then start adding the rest. Now we'll lift it. Move it around. I'm gonna add the second one, okay? Just move it around, guys, so the paint moves. And I want more gold color, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. And now you just have to move the canvas around so the paint flows again. As you can see, I didn't use all the paint. I have 1 glass left and I have another canvas, so I think I'm just gonna use it. So we're gonna do another one. Same process, guys. We're gonna pour our paint and move our canvas around so the paint flows. If you have any spots that the paint hasn't touched, like this one over here, it's gonna be super easy. You just have to blow to the paint so it expands. And that's it, we're finished. So we're gonna let this dry for a full day and I'll show you guys the result. We let these babies dry for 24 hours and they are ready now. The last step is to cut the edges if you have any extra paint like I did. And this is the final result. Look how pretty they are. I love the colors and it has such a marble texture. And best part is that it was so easy to make. Now, the only thing you have to do is to find a place where to hang it at your house. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy it and you guys make this at home. If you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave a comment. See you guys on the next video.